Khuborkhasi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san mentag sni kilong. Kajing de jing thet kenthai kena ke srim ye ke kam khai drop. Ajing hikai ki scientist ye kinong rep East and West but West Khasi Hills. Hikai bat penchai pat ba ke MSPCB halor ki plastik shisin pindon kam. Bat peninam kinong rep East and West ye ki mar rep bakensai. Bat mentangin pa shiki Khubor bakam benya. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, the State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, but the District Administration West Jante Hills District, kilapalong ya kajingalang ha Conference Hall DC Office JYLLIEW, banya kun persya ya kajing penlong mar khayi ya ki kenthai kena ha kani kajuk menta. Ha kani kajingalang ladon lang ki kenhon bepet kerpang ya ki kenthai kena ki pulit ki doktor bat ki riu perkhat nanong ba JYLLIEW. Uba MB tong per ADC ha kajing kren ula ai jing mut ban net pen sngaw tho bat ai jing hikai shaki shnong ki thau halor kajing trem bat jing snew bala pelong mar khayi ye ki khna kenthai bat shinrang kham tam le le ne ki thanyong kendong bun sien ki khna ret na nong kendong ki sha kring ban net tre ha ki ying brew ha ki jing kular ban siu ka bai nong ka bahe ki kimi ki kpa ki pensange school no iki bat pha belai ying brew ha ki jaka sor ne sha jingai na lashnong Lapindo no ya ka hoklong briu jengki bandit school. Uloong ru kani kam khayi briu kaya srim ye ki kam khayi drop. Ki wei pat ki ba ai jingkren ki kentup US pasa District Child Protection Officer kong ai kharpran Sub Inspector Women Police Jawai bat ba ji majau Sub Inspector ki lapin sngaw ye ki daw ba pher ba penlong ye ki khna kumju ki kenthai ban ngop ha jing sha ya lambakala ne sha pendon kam bakala ha ki babun jat ki briu.
I would just like to ask was one question, like trafficking and prostitution. What is the difference between trafficking and prostitution? Please, victims, even after being rescued, they feel impaired to go back to their society. I think the one-stop center will agree with me. Because why they feel impaired? Because that stigma will be there, where people will judge them. They'll feel like, okay, if I go back, nobody will accept me. If I go back, these people will look at me as an insect, which will spread the virus. So, sir, with due respect, sir, I would like to make a proposal where these kind of programs should be held in colleges, where we need to enlighten them more so that these students, they can carry on the message to their own villages. If anybody have any question, please.
Kind of pornographic site, they cannot get it out. Once they browse and they have to engage because there is a great urge from the inside to practice and to experience. So my point is, not only from the district administration or from the district child protection unit, whatever we get and whatever we gain from these programs, when you go home, you have to feed each and everyone that this is the main cause right now, not only for traffic but also for influence the children doing all the bad things. Not only for the traffic, but children also they use from mobile, they are being to involved in the psychotropic substance. Because of the psychotropic substance also, they are engaging in trafficking.
Kanongstein Social Service Society NSSS kawai ni giseng Tremont ngobha hakakhat Southrik JYLLIEW kalapalong ye gijingalang ajing hikai kinongrep ke East and West but West Khasi Hills halor kapang Biodiversity Fair Kam Plan Genetic Resource PGR. Kajing tmu jogani kajing hikai kalong ban kentiu ye karep karyang. Kumju ban hikai bat pentebit ikinong rep haki kam rep knang bakin kam yo jing mentoy na kani ka kam kabaki jutre nado kulong kuma. Yakani kajingalang lapalong hanongstein hakabau Dr. SK Malik Noodle Officer NEH Scheme ICR NBP GR New Delhi lolong ukongsan harangkat kajingadon lang Dr. PK Singh Head Division of Germplasm Exploration ICR NBP GR New Delhi Dr. Harish G.D., Scientist, Regional Station Shillong, Reverend Padar James Anderson Samla, President ke NSSS, but Bun Kinong Rep Kibawan Nagishnang Bamarjan. Yaka North East Hills NEH scheme la Beijing lut daka ICR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong, but daka tiga jingalang kila don arspak san pongut Kinong Rep kibana East and West but West Khasi Hills District kiblawan banishimenta. Hadin ke jingalang ka ICR NBPGR kala sami ki tiara Kinong Rep ki bakentup ikitarpar ki pam senret dawai ki pipe bajrong ki pla ban ra ban rong bat ki tupya ya dasngi.
Which we need to take care. So far, who will take care? This diversity will take care of us.
Of the nearby areas. So it is our pleasure to organize this program here. And as Harish has already told that this is the third time we are organizing this program in the collaboration of this society. There might be something we again and again coming to the society to organize such a program. As he told, they are very good in organizations and good number of farmers, and really the selection of beneficiary is also very good. So as already informed, this particular program or plant genetic resources awareness programs are being organized throughout the northeast India by our institute under the NEH scheme, which is Northeastern Hill Scheme, which has been launched by the Government of India to benefit the small and medium farmers. So all the ministries of the Government of India are having a special funds for this, and being NBPGR, being the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, our major emphasis is to benefit the farmers, direct benefit to the
Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ringkat kajingat lang ka Office Divisional Forest Officer Nongstan, but ka Alliance for Sustainable Green and Clean Nature ASGCON haka khatsau trek JYLLIEW kala pelong ye kajingalang pensyai Peit ba ahlor kapang ki plastik tang shisin pendon kam single use plastic ha Bishop Hall Nongstan haka bau Dr. GH Chermang MFS Member Secretary Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ulalong kongsan bat upa EPCM kahima Nongstan kumusembut kongsan. Kinoyeshe menta hakini kajingalang pensyai kilong ki school ki college NSS volunteer Nongstan College ki principal ki nonghikai ki nongsen charge kilong kami kilong kpa ki Samla ki officer na kitanak sorkar bapher kentup ru ikinong tray ka forest department ki dekat ka ASGCON bat ki Peit ba ki kraw perkat na kitanak PHE Pollution Board baruba Eric Charles Carcentiu Project Coordinator ASGCON baruba Thamai Bor S Shangrit Chairman ASGCON kilalong kinongkren bat nong batay hakini kajingalang kabalalong kabasyongshit bat bamintoy ya baro.
Lada gimana ni kalian ki kanun operation of plastic. Lada lupa plastic plastic waste management rules. Kapag sarkar kala dia notify dan usnam arazar kantriu. Hadina kala amenya ka usnam arazar kuwai bat arkusa. Ngapa bandai ya kan sepang di penia ni details main sudah dibahas ini masa ada presentation. Kapag pada ni balai rules kadan rules kata lakam nalu uberiu basnai plastik, ubah supply plastik, ubah store plastik, bodo bedai plastik. Terkadang iru kebentar bantai lakam buat ingin nampudan kamaru. Nampak apa kini iru sengidan ya penalti lene ya kecing syadai guna. Hendak mengenai bala daging pun kita inang sinabi ain. Bagan kafain ke bakit hadu silak tengka. Bagai jingsa set alam hadu san senyap. Entah bala daging labi gitu tiba thang lagi ke bapan coba. Kafain kan ke NGT order bala hadu san aja. Lada ke baret tiba kedai hadu arku san aja. Tahan rai kam long ka ba suk leni banshu fain be jadi baru rai ko banakon sya pada ban kro. Bara gore ni heying bisa kro. anda ada krok ada ngim jem ai ding ba sepat tengido hajo le tingnya iwan ang man krok kan sutho iwan ya ka jinga trela mane stok tilang andre hadin habo ngim la suban le nada kilat kiput ngim la bale ai haban sai ding ada nga pilih ba kata por kan lumpoy na tapay Shillong pambay hapok ni River Rejuvenation Committee lang ba kadan gaway ka OA big original application habang kaway na gawa jong ni hang ni non ka apitit tidak sao to di priority ba ay kata report priority 1 hadu 5 wa non ba jong ni kala ha priority 4 kamot lai itu daga entity ba gawa kala jabo
Ka District Agricultural Officer DAO East and West Khasi Hills District kala pelong ya ka yo pin inam ba arsngi ya ki marep ki bagantup ki so ki sentiu ki jhor ki jhep ba bonjat ba ki nongrep na kani ka district ki penmi bande hayo hahat bat banshalan shaki wei pat ki yo shabar ka district ya kani ka yo pin inam la pelong ha ka khatlai bat khat sal trip JYLLIEW ha ka ba de spangut ki nongrep ki lawan banishimenta ban pin inam bat bande ki marep jengki hamairang Uba met ba lingdo MLA bat chairman ke Meghalaya State Planning Board ulalong ukong san ha kasngi penwai ya kani ka yo pin inam ringkat bar usim ke himanong klaw UPM simle kong andora nongbri DEO uba M dingdo additional DC ki officer sorkar bat kinong rep na kani ka district ha ka jinga ko pin inam ye ki marep na sambus ket ringkat ki song pisa sya kinong rep ki balayo ban khet ye ki so ki jhur bat ki sentiu bakin sai tam ha kani ki kenti Kinong rep kila penpau ya ke jingkemen ke bakraw ya ke office DEO kabala ailat ya ki ban peni perthai ya ki marep bat kabala penslur da ki bosket.
Report lah kila terkong lur na kila terkong lur na particularly menta kabu ya ke government ba ayu ke sokar kale hendre aku aban ong ipi kumni bakung kinong chong Shillong ngidon kejingkit klila haka bade bakire kejing pom patha ya ki ding kisi kejing bom suma ya ki jaka baki mi ki ni sene nama bang ngidon kejing long try ya la kajok jaka ndon balaban ban kli mano ngilai akan pamon ndai toda perkhata nama kane kan long kejing ke ba nakaliang jong pi ki try jaka pi nyendu bat ru ya ka Shillong ka thao ya ka community ba ya ka dong ka thain lu pupju borong ko we ngilap ya ka ban suma ba te kejing don jong ne ka district agriculture office kala long ke ba ngiriban ship ya ka kabu bandong ka jumentoy na ka banta jong pi bat jong kinong rep jong kade ka district watama kade ka program banta si ka ba lasdam na do menit ka ba ide bat ka exhibition competition on agricultural and horticultural crops na soba kini kalong program kebadan kambaha. Na kadang soba ladang ngimpat don ni ka district office nga try kani ka exhibition competition program ka bangidon mentasi kan David no stoy. Dan ni namar ba kalong ka district office lala ban organize kini program. Ba ka district office kan jan chapi kum kinong rep. Tidak kata daw soban ong bang sokumen ado kata abang ayolat ban jado dekat bapi hakum kini ke program selap menel lajur untuk kan ong tu kan nunya poi le pasang nya pun spos arpos ceng ong padon brio dang dona ong tom lele denre wat pren jo selap kat ni pile poi kini ka ba ai nang sim ya ka office baki en ki jingtmu jong office kalau naga benta jopi kinong rep naga benta ka jing mentoy jopi kinong rep kamde ka jing mentoy jong office Kamde ke jing mentoy jong ki officer na ke staff ki basong. Haga ni ko officer ni. Ndai ke dei NAKA berta ke jing mentoy jong ki. Ni sung tu ban ngilay asoro ki jing kren na kalian joint director. Bayuan na do na Shillong nang te ke bomot kadon ke jing
Katanat jong ke Bethany Hospital kabadon hanongpo Bethany Hospital Outreach nongpo haga khat sautrik JYLLIEW kadang beteng ye ke jing rakhe dapch postnem jongka da ka bale burom ya arngut ki rius bun minsim umeban riskem thaba bat ujet wen lingdo ki bala ais ngobha ye la ka jong snam na ka benta ban pelat emi ki nong pang ki badon kamyaka uba meban riskem thaba ula ais bun ye la ka snam arpun riusin hadu kini kisngi Kalbau ba jet winling do ula ais nam haduk khat prasin kenti. Hakani kesngi ke Bethany Hospital Outreach nongpo kalaraki pendon burom ye ke World Blood Donors Day. Hakani kesngi la pelong ye ke jingelang bekerpang halor ke pang pedeng jongani kesngi raki ye ke World Blood Donors Day. La arpus nempil ais bun ye la ke snam Khuborjylla boni pi baro. Ki bayeshe menta ki kentup ik doktor ki nurse ki nong trei ki nong pang rengkat ki pahinga sembat ki pat ba nanongpo. Uba meban riskem bat uba jet win kila pencelur bat kentu ya baro ki belawan shimenta ni kejingelang ban long ki bas bun klem jingting ban ais nam na kebenta ban pelat emi ki nong pang ki bedon kam kerki ya kesna.
Nangka di hadir pa ais nam bele ki habel ki khai ko nama bakila long kila se mo tak tu bas nam ko habel jingris bele ya ketu na ko ummo sedang bantri bantak ke baju aku tu mesti baik nak nak bersih tapi si kamu buat dia lala kan sedang jam belitri lekta ke baju kat musim hilang kan aisna kamu dan kacing hilang kan aisna kat ke hilang kamu tanjing limit kamu tanjing kan aisna tanpa ikishenlang pada kilabu lain benai mo. Bukti ais nam kumpulasi hadiah lain benai pada pilaban hadiah kapokan katin 4 lah. Itu kenteng pada ibu sau benai. Nanta kei kaji mentoi kinong ais nam pada kibaki kena kibusit ai man kapuan. Kaji mentoi peningkong kadiba kita dia pembelat. Kani kaji kita pembelat ni kalau sama mata kamtam ini ki bala apply ki driving license ini tak pani pembelat tu. Kita pergi kendron ban ais nam ban masuk yang di ban pensyai ban pantai ban pensemua yang itu. Nanta kadang ka free health check up. Man kalau lain benar bila ban check up yang lagi mo lalu kila tu ban di ke itu. Nanta kita suruh yang senang jadi dan kita pun tidur di Jepang kita test pakai kita test nanta kita tu yang sertifikat berpensisa bala ais nam.
Kinoyalam Keseng Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP Rimulyang Circle Haka Khat Sautrik JYLLIEW kilala ikendo yu Assistant Executive Engineer katanat boarding hanongstan ban ujor halor kajing thormor karukom ken rukom dia ya ka by boarding habaro kathan Rimulyang namar amshim la pensyong nongrim kat kum ki unit bekilong ying ki pedon kam ban thangding electric ha ka shibnai Kinoyalam jong Keseng kilayo ru banya keren halor ki wede kimat bat u engineer ha kini kesngi kentup ya kejingker sainar sya saudong ki jaka balabu iki transformer ha ka thain barok away knang ban lat na kajingma jing mensaw ya ki pat ba pat ya ki kna school lakar pat ru ban penpoi no kloy ya kading electric shakishnong ki bampat yo ding electric hadu menta menne kum halangpi madyang snam umpa syiap bat bersik
lain lain so naik namar akan juga baru kiwan bilaj kisam ngisam bagi bilaj ki affair na koi bilaj ka koi bat namar tentang koi ka koi tang arlo tenta koi ka lapoi de kispa koi ka koi ni hajar tentang ka jinga kedu jingi lekran ini jinga alo gina ba nagalin tu berjubab tu ni bohong ba kini kedai ka jing duna jo ginong kedai jo ni kila syucium ba ka apret bil tinggal yang keren sani bah yang Allah kene bah ingin sasim ya senjam bani hapan berbeda dengan kam Te kebaru kajing ya kedu jungi le keren ro agliang ba kuno be happen dep no kloi ya gini ka connection ya ki Shillong ya bala saten bala da train anu kaman chua re adu mata ngi ba bidang sa kut kumtu te halo kane ro ila ong ba gindon ka kaladon ka skim kumai ro manta ba kin sa train no kam kloi kum ki Shillong ba dang saten kum bersit ka audience nam kum ke umpa ter mo bidang pun hi ki Shillong Tigini yung bagi la don hi gas kim kinan sanction yung sa treno in hapan leno komploy di kam ila keluar hi naklen jungi de naklen jungi ro ni la Khuborjylla ba in kam treno kam kloy nang ba kam jam kin ya chakmat bat habare de ro bat kriang ba in ker ya kini is transforma kam kane kade wei katau ba kam sirke ya ka don ka thai jungi ki breu igala ki mrat ro ba ketika gini gini kenapa kalau wan ginja kubang ini sendiri mau agi sosial media kum hapo mau kuat mana kan yang ba kijin nak kuki kelong kana kum le kta ile kijan itu kan mi suapa kan mi kum kita ginja ba sekai ba kenap cuma dekate pensiun no employee gini kam rei nakalian kijin jubab yung i yung ba ye gini kumdon kan ai ka sanction kumdon kamang tin kan ban kerbang nan tak itu tinggal Khuborjylla ya kene ka yu bagi hamtre kamploi haban simkia nakine ka MECL ro kadai hi ban
Armut kinong hikay giblarim Hasin Dominic High Secondary School mau kendeng kakong alma satin bar ubabu ropinos jad kila penjau umat ikinong penyat kinong hikay bat kikena school haba kila kren kuble khatdu ha ka khat saw tarik JYLLIEW kasngi bikila syong that negi kam hikay ha kini ke school Kini armut kino hikai kilarung ha kini ke school naduk kipor jong Reverend Padar Turgo o belaklat no na kini ke perthai. Ke school berok kawai ha kini ke sengi kala pelong ia ke jingelang kublai sngongu ia ki mati bekensai bekini kino hikai kila penjau sep ha kini ke school ha kirta teri kam jongki. Buan ru ki kena school ki bayat lingba na kini ke school kila kiyo ha ki kerdan long brio beper. Ubabu Jonatus Suchiang mula kren na kaliang kino hikai ha kabaw la nyaw tangi ke jinglong bakensai bat kemensim ai tilut jang kini kino hikai na kebenta ki kena bat ban kentiu ya kanam jang school syadu ki sahit beneng ka school bat ki kena ke layo shibun ki jing mentoy na ki mati jang kini kino hikai ulaong u principal ula penpau ke jing sngongu ko bala shlei naduk mensim ya ke jing tre jang kini kino hikai Ubabu ropinus bat kakong alma kila kren melung mensim hadu bagi para no hikai kinong penyat school bat ki kena kila jau mat kendek mensim da ka jing sngo it bat sngo benut banum yo sngo shu iki kentin jongki haki kamra school kakong alma kala penkut ya ka jing kren da ka boong haba ice bun ni yo keliang bun sha la penkut ya kini kesengi kublai sngongu iki ni kino hikai da ka bam khana kum shi ying chisam
When I started from home I was doubting whether the weather will permit or not. No, we will sit till the end of the program. But right now, I think with all the prayers, I also pray that we will have a fine weather so that we can complete the program happily. So I thank God for this beautiful weather given to us. And secondly, I thank God for permitting me to serve this institution for 42 years and 8 months of today's gratitude get together. Thank you very much for permitting me to come here on the stage. Why? Because we don't have to say farewell to each other. We will be always together, cherishing whatever we have achieved as teachers and also as students. So when a time comes like this, that we cannot walk together anymore, maybe because of the government, which actually I don't abide by the rules of the government. Even after the government reminded me that you have to rest, you are getting old, I still have the chance of continuing for another 5 years and 8 months, or 8 months. And to tell you, my dear colleagues and my dear students, I feel as many of you told me, the colleagues and the students.
Bat dak itu ki khubor ngilapoi siya kabakot tar hadupang desyam biang Khuborjylla.